Hey everyone, I'm 13StuartC and welcome to episode 5 of the Volvo Revival. This is the final main episode, and if you've been with me from the start, thank you so much for watching. Working on my own car and sharing it with you guys on YouTube has been an absolute blast. In this episode, we're finishing off the last touches and showing the car in all its glory. I hope you enjoy the video.
If you saw episode 1, you know this car was full of dents. Today we're tackling the big one on the passenger side wing, along with the smaller ones dotted around the car. All with a budget PDR kit from VTEMO. With the dents fixed, I decided to fit new plates since the old ones were looking fairly shabby. To finish off the car's look, I purchased some 18-inch Dare rims that needed some TLC. To begin with, I had the old tyres removed at my local garage. A big thanks to Nathan and Joe for fitting me in and letting me film. Next, I took the rims to JS Engineering, shot blasting and powder coating to be sandblasted, primed and powder coated. Once they were refurbished, I brought the rims and new tyres to a tyre shop to be fitted and balanced. And with that, my 2001 Volvo V70 T5 manual has been revived. Like any project car, it will always continue to evolve, but for now it stands as reliable, comfortable and clean, finally becoming the car I envisioned when I began this journey. Thank you all for following along with this build, and I look forward to sharing the next chapter with you. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and once again, thanks for watching.